This video is connected to the research paper entitled Persuasive Polite Robots in Freestanding Conversational Groups. Robots are increasingly being used to interact with humans in contexts from customer service to healthcare and education. This often requires them to be in the proximity of humans, for example, to form small groups. If a robot is to be an active participant in these interactions, it may need to invite others into the group in an effective manner. This may require the robot to be persuasive, while still maintaining a positive image with the human. Ideally, it would achieve an appropriate balance between politeness and persuasion. This study investigates the impact of 6 politeness strategies of a robot in a small group on its ability to persuade participants to join the group at an inconvenient side which requires more effort to walk to. More specifically, question 1. How often can a robot persuade participants to join the group at the furthest side using different politeness strategies? More direct politeness strategies may be more persuasive. The following videos demonstrate some of the verbal and nonverbal behaviors of the main robot.
Would you like to come here? This place is waiting for you. Come here.
Question 2. What is the impact of the strategies on participants' perception of the robot? More direct politeness strategies may be perceived to be less polite. Question 3. How much do participants adhere to social norms when moving to the side that the robot requests? Participants decided between 3 routes to join the group. An inconvenient route that conforms to the robot's request. An unsocial route that violates the group's social norms. And a convenient route balancing effort and social acceptance but violating the robot's request. This allowed us to investigate trade-offs between complying to the robot's request, adhering to social norms, and expending effort. The robots were controlled by a human operator and invited participants to join the group at the furthest side. 59 participants were recruited from the general public. Example trial 1 shows a convenient route to join the closest side.
Welcome back.
Example trial 2 shows an unsocial route to join the furthest side.
Come here.
Example trial 3 shows an inconvenient route to join the furthest side.
This place is waiting for you.
The study found that clear and direct strategies are more effective in persuading participants to join a group of robots at the furthest side. The asking condition is the most polite and friendly, while the proposing condition is a good balance between persuasion and maintaining a positive impression on the user. Participants tended to adhere to social norms even when it involves moving to an inconvenient position. In summary, we present a set of verbal and nonverbal behaviors for robots based on 5 politeness strategies derived from the theory. Our results suggest a specific verbal and nonverbal behavior, ask, that was optimal across all 3 criteria of persuasiveness, politeness, and clarity. Also, participants tended to adhere to social norms even though this involved expending more physical effort to take an inconvenient route to join the group. This has significant implications for the design and application of robots in contexts from customer service to healthcare and education where robots are increasingly being used to interact with humans.